Welcome to the fascinating world of science and technology, where innovation and discovery shape our future. In this video, we will explore some of the groundbreaking advancements in science and technology that are transforming our lives. One exciting area of research is nanotechnology. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, we can create incredible new materials with unique properties. Nanomaterials are revolutionizing industries like medicine, electronics, and energy. They are being used to create super strong and lightweight materials, improve drug delivery systems, and enhance the efficiency of solar panels. Robotics and artificial intelligence are also making incredible strides. Robots are becoming more intelligent and capable, assisting us in various fields. They can perform complex tasks, such as assembly line operations, surgical procedures, and even space exploration. AI-powered systems are helping us analyze vast amounts of data, making predictions, and improving decision-making processes. Genetic engineering and biotechnology have opened up new frontiers in healthcare and agriculture. Scientists are now able to modify genes, enabling us to develop treatments for genetic diseases and improve crop yields. Gene editing tools like CRISPR are revolutionizing biology and offering new possibilities for human health. The field of renewable energy is rapidly evolving, with advancements in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. We're witnessing the transition from fossil fuels to cleaner, more sustainable alternatives. Innovations like efficient solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems are reshaping the way we power our world. Science and technology continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. With each new discovery, we inch closer to a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of science and technology.